Yeah, good evening to one and all. This is Praneeth. Today's topic is about world during the world wars. As we all know that the first world war was taken between 1914 to 1918. In the meanwhile, from 1914 to 1918, the war has been discontinued by one of the country, that is about Russia, where we will discuss about the Russian Revolution. The Russian Revolution has been taken from 1917 to 1922. So, let us discuss what are all the reasons, what are all the major causes for the revolution. For each and everything, as a common people are not accepted by the rules and regulations which have been placed by the king or an emperor, then the revolutions, the strikes, the hartals, each and everything is going to be taken part, not only in our country, in any of the country throughout the world. So here, what is the problem has been raised in the Russian Revolution in the sense, as the people are not satisfied by the ruling of Tsar Nicholas. Tsar Nicholas II is an emperor. For the abdication here in the sense, the removal of the king from the place, in the sense like placing another king, and also at the same time, the people demanded for a democratic, nationalist and socialist country. Among these, the one of the leader has been raised from the public. He is about Lenin. He is the first person who has been gone through rising against the issues which have been placed by the public, and he is one of the person who have been gone through encouraging for the communist parties. In the meanwhile, he have been gone through imposing about the socialism. The first country which has been placed about the socialism throughout the world is about Russia. Even though in the movement or in this revolution, not only men, women and many of the common people like the farmers, regular employees, even though the government employees like lawyers and some other officials have been joined the hands with the Lenin, and they have been gone through protesting against the king Tsar Nicholas for their demands. Now, coming to the assignment questions, what are all the things has been taken part? What were the criticism raised against the communist system? As we all know that throughout from between 1914 to 1918, in the First World War, Russia came out of the First World War in the year of 1917 because of the revolution which has been raised in the country. From here, the remaining countries, example, we call Russia as Eurasia. Why? What is the reason? In the sense, 60% of the Russian country comes under Europe and 40% of the country comes under Asian continent. That is the reason we call it as an Eurasia. Here, the countries like, major countries like the European countries have been gone through opposing the act which has been taken by the Lenin. The steps which have been placed by the Lenin. The first one is about the socialism, equality. Each and every one in the country is supposed to get about equal rights, and each and every one is supposed to get about the education. The demands in the socialism like education, employment, and some other issues. So, as these things have been placed by the Lenin, the other countries, what are all the other countries from the European countries, they opposed the ideas of the Lenin. So, what were the criticism raised here in the sense, as a communist party is not going to be, in the sense some other countries, they strongly believe that the communist parties are not going to be successful, and they completely criticized the ideas of the Lenin here. That is about the first thing. Criticism against the communist ideas. And second one, the second one is about what were the welfare societies? What aspects of welfare what aspects of welfare societies do you find functioning in India? Do you find functioning in India? Right. As we all know that after completion of the two world wars, the first one is from 1914 to 1918 and the second one is about from 1939 to 1945. After that, India got independence in the year of 1947. After independence, some democratic rules and regulations have been placed in our country, and in the year of 1950, we have been gone through framing a constitutional day where we have placed some rules and regulations where the country is supposed to be followed. So like the first, like some of the rules and regulations are like, or some of the welfare things are like socialism, nationalism, democracy and sovereignty. These are all the things have been taken by the ideas of Russia. Here if we observe in our country, nowadays we are getting about the employment schemes. The first is about welfare. What is the meaning of welfare here in the sense, the scheme or the program which has been placed by the government is supposed to be useful for the public. So here the first one is about employment. So the government has been gone through giving a provision or providing about the employment opportunities in any type of the sector, either it is about the skilled or unskilled laborers, employment sources. And the next one is about education. As we all know that government has been gone through placing some of the schools where to provide about the free education for the children. At the same time, in the educational scheme, the government have been, what all the things have been provided by the government here. The first one is about books are free of cost. Next, midday meals, uniform. These are all the things or the ideas of the government under or which has been taken from the Russia. Clear? So, employment, education and about women welfare associations has been taken part. Based upon the community, some of the associations or welfare associations have been raised like SC, ST, BC. Based upon these communities, some welfare associations have been raised in our country. From where we have been gathered such type of the things where we have to give some percentage of the provision for the public. Here in the sense, completely these ideas have been taken from Russia. Not only about that, about the feudalism, landlordism which has been raised earlier in our country, also taken from Russia. These like feudal system, feudalism, landlordism, collective forms, collecting about the lands from the landlords and distributing to each and every one. This is also one of the ideas has been taken from the Russia. Thank you.